We're all set for match number 5 of the second edition of the Maharashtra Premier League. TBG Kolhapur Tuskers taking on Puneri Bappa from the Maharashtra Cricket Association International Stadium, Gahunze in Pune.
Well, there you have it. The PBG Kolhapur Tuskers winning the toss and they're going to be bowling first.
In a curtail game, we'll have a look at the playing 11 for the Tuskers. Ankit Bhavne, Sachin Das, Shrikant Munde, the captain, Siddharth Matre, Markali and Nihal Thusamat. So Ruturaj Gaikwad, there's Pawan Shah, Shubham Teswal, Yash Shirsagar, Sahil Autade, Rahul Desai and Roshan Waksare. There we go, jersey number 19, Pawan Shah, the aggressive opener. Right arm fast bowler Nihal Thusamat is all ready. It's a 14-over game, just a quick reminder. It's a 14-over game. Yes, hitting the ball nicely on the bat. There was a call, quickly sent back by Shubham.
Shot delivery, nicely played over the point fielder.
Leading edge, chance fielder, easily taken by the skipper Shrikant Munde. The danger man, Pawan Shah, will have to walk back. Big one by Nihal Thusamat.
Pawan Shah gone for 4 for 1 now.
And at number 3 is Yash Shirsagar, the right-handed batter. Going for the big one, fielder under it. The fielder at mid-on. Chance, dropped. 1, 2, 3, it goes down. Oh, that's a miss. It was straight up.
Oh, this time he's got lucky. This time is the top edge over the wicketkeeper for a boundary. And that's a wide delivery. 5 runs.
Outside edge taken easily. Shubham Teswal got a boundary. There were 5 runs gifted, but fabulous comeback by Nihal Thusamat. Shubham walks back for 10-20 for 2 PB. In comes Sahil Autade.
मौका मिले ना मिले बनाएंगे इस तरह से. बढ़िया बाउंड्री.
No, what a catch! Oh! Shirsagar will have to walk back, and that was a Superman behind the stumps. What a catch taken! That was Aniket Porwal flying to his right, and the third one goes for Puneri Bappa.
And after 3 overs, Puneri Bappa, a 25 for 3, Yash gone for 5.
Ruturaj Ala, Ruturaj Gaikwad. Oh, what a shot that is! Ruturaj Gaikwad, the way he picks up that length so early and so much time that he has on his hands. Class written all over it.
अच्छी गेंदबाजी, यहाँ पर 2 मिल सकते हैं. अच्छी फील्डिंग, पर ऋतुराज वहाँ पे काफी तीखे. बढ़िया रन विद द विकेट, 2 रन चटका है. फिर बोलते थे अभी आउट होने का चांसेस है. तो बल्लेबाज आउट भी होता था, यहाँ पर रन आउट का मौका बन सकता है. और ये रन आउट, मिस अंडरस्टैंडिंग हुई वहां पर. हाना और रन आउट हो गए बल्लेबाज.
Oh, we were just talking about running between the wickets and how important these 1s and 2s are, and the importance of converting these 1s into 2s. But equally important is responding to the call and responding early. If there's some hesitation, it results into a run out.
और 52 for 4.
Once again in the gap and beautifully timed. Oh, that is Ruturaj Gaikwad.
बड़ा शॉट यहाँ पर 6 रन के लिए. सूरज शिंदे माने जाते हैं चौके छक्के के लिए.
Oh, it beat everybody. The batter and the wicket keeper as well.
बढ़िया बॉल था यहाँ पर. आड़ा शॉट मारा था, फिर चौका मिला है टॉप एज लेके. यहां पे रन मिलेंगे और 6 रन मिलेंगे. All you need to do is just keep timing the cricket ball just like that.
Ruturaj Gaikwad getting into the act.
And gone. Dismissed. Nice easy catch there for Siddharth. Suraj Shinde goes off the field for 24 of 14 deliveries, 97 for 5.
Just what he was looking for. Ruturaj Gaikwad gets a boundary of the last delivery, 105 for 5. ये तो खराब गेंद, न्योता दिया था ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर। जो फील्ड की सजावट थी वो बता रही थी आपको यहां गेंद नहीं डाल सकते।
इस बार फिर फ्रेंच कट, चाइनीज कट, जो कहना चाहते कह सकते हैं आप। चौका मिला वहां पर। इस बार फिर गति में परिवर्तन और गेंद जा रही है सीमा रेखा पार छक्के के लिए। ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ का यह तीसरा अर्धशतक एमपीएल में 55 पर पहुंच चुके हैं। बेहतरीन शॉट। इस बार फिर गति में परिवर्तन, इस बार फिर कॉर्नर क्षेत्र के ऊपर बड़ा छक्का।
इस बारी राहुल ने कहा नाम मेरा भी याद रख लीजिए, सिर्फ ऋतु का राज नहीं चलेगा, राहुल भी मौजूद है। लेकिन पहले से ही वो शफल कर गए थे वहां पे और 6 रन।
श्रेयस एक बार फिर, इस बार और बेहतर गेंद थी पर खेल दिया उसे और चौका। इस बार फिर हवाई फायरिंग की है और ये पकड़े गए वहां पर लॉन्ग ऑन पर। ऊंचाई मिली पर लंबाई नहीं मिली और उसी के कारण वहां पर लॉन्ग ऑन पर पकड़े गए। 143 for 6। नए बल्लेबाज सचिन भोसले is coming to face the final delivery of the innings. He is hit it right up in the air and he's going to be out caught. Nice little victory there for Shreyas. Gets a wicket of the final delivery. Sachin gone for a duck, and that's the end of the innings for Puneri Bappa. 143 for 7. So the target in front of Kolhapur Tuskers in 14 overs is 144.
Harsh Sanghvi, that's the impact sub that has come, is Harsh Sanghvi. There we go, Ankit Bhavne. We'll have a look at the impact player first for the Forest Puneri Bappa. There we go. Rahul Desai's job is done, and the impact sub is Piyush Salvi. Sachin Bhosle. Bounced on. What a start! What a start by the impact player Harsh Sanghvi. Short ball dispatched. 4 runs.
बड़ा शॉट यहां पर। ओहो कमाल का शॉट। स्टैंड में 6 रन के लिए। क्या शुरुआत है, क्या इंपैक्ट है हर्ष संघवी का। बढ़िया शॉट यहां पर। चौका मिलेगा हर्ष संघवी को।
There he goes again, and with the short fine, never a good option, and that's 4 more. There he goes, connects well. The fielder at mid-on will have no chance. Making some room, dispatched 4 runs.
इनका फेवरेट शॉट है, पर चौका मिलेगा यहां पर।
और ये मारा, yes, rightly guessed, that'll be 6 runs to end the over and to end the power play. Kolhapur Tuskers are 40 for no loss.
और ये शॉट, ये डाल नहीं सकते अंकित बावने को। और ये बड़ा छक्का डीप स्क्वायर लेग पर। ओह, कमाल का शॉट यहां पर अंकित बावने का।
And Shirsagar in for his first over and the very first delivery dispatched. This time dances down the track. What's going to be the verdict? It's out. He checked his shot a bit. The ball dipped to the fielder there at long on, and Harsh is dismissed for 38.
38 रन बना के वापस पेविलियन 58 पे एक।
Aniket Porwal is the new batter in.
Would be looking to Just do that. Spot on this time around. And the danger man, Ankit John, has to walk back to the pavilion.
So Bhavne walks off for 21 of 17, 63 for 2. Sachin Das walks in.
That's 4. Those are the extras that I was talking about. You got to be a little careful.
Oh, beaten all ends up, and that's gone. Stumped. Easy as it comes.
कमाल का ग्लव वर्क वहां पे. सचिन दास 1 रन बना के वापस पेविलियन, 71 पे 3.
New batter in Siddharth Matre.
Aniket this time around just waited off the back foot, found the placement that he was looking for. A welcome boundary.
And goes down the ground. Will get a boundary. This time takes a charge. What's going to happen? Oh, drop that. Shubham, the fielder that had long off. The ball hit him and ricocheted off him.
Oh, nicely hit. He took it on the full and as straight as it can get. A wonderful start to this over. Nicely hit right in the gap. Oh, that's in the air. Fielder coming under it and takes the catch. Pawan Shah this time does not make a mistake. After a boundary that Siddharth Matre hit, this is a very good comeback by Sachin Bhosle.
Good innings from Siddharth. Scored 14 runs, 100 for 4 now.
20 balls, 44 needed. And the captain of the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers walks out to bat. Shrikant Munde. Full toss. And nicely picked that gap. Full toss in the air, straight to the fielder. Oh, Shrikant Munde could have hit it anywhere. The backward point and the third man were inside the circle. But he picked up the fielder. And that's another wicket down.
Gone for 4, faced 7 deliveries, 113 for 5.
Yogesh Dongre is the new batter. Once again, attempted Yorker, taken on the full. Oh, misfield! Oh, not the best of fielding efforts. This time, straight to the fielder. Oh, Piyush Salvi. The last couple of overs have been game-turning, game-changing overs. 2 slower ones, and then a wicket.
Yogesh gone for 518 for 6 now.
Absolutely, practice will make you perfect. And this is perfection personified by our winner, Piyush Salvi. The way he bowled this last over, a wicket and just singles in the last over. And the back of the hand slower ones. Puneri Bappa win by 22 runs.